welcome. We just got this package, so it's opening. I know what is it inside, so it's a big surprise for me. So let's take it out. Okay. So we got the Hoverair X1 drone with the power bank batteries, and also itself the kit for repairing. So this is everything we got from Hoverair. So let's start to unbox it. Really nice. So these boxes are very tight. Okay, nice. Super. It's very small, more small than what I was thinking it is. So it's very small. So here are the instructions or warranties for sure. Warranty card, okay. Then one of the batteries, in case the other one is on the drone itself. So one of the batteries. The replacement parts, I bought it just in case. It's not a need, but it's a good option always to have everything to repair your drone whenever you need. So showing here are the propellers, here are the cage, and also it's came with a screwdriver for itself. So the rest of the tiny parts has screws and mini screws. That's good. That's very good. I'm very happy with this. It's a good product. So let's keep this safe, just in case we will need it. Hopefully we will never use it, but who knows. And then let's take it the most important, the Hoverair X1. Okay, manual, so sure, another manual, and the drone itself. So let's take it out and make a try, have a try. So this is look like how it is. So I just will try one of the modes. So it's supposed to follow me while I stand there. And then if I put the palm of my hand, you just land there. That's it. It's very good. So then we have following.
Zoom out. Follow.
So let's try with the follow.
Standard. Follow.
So that's very good. Nice. Pretty smooth.